listing in the beautiful city of Compton, California. We're standing inside of a 5,000 square foot warehouse currently listed for sale. This is a very unique property. It does have 2 roll-up doors, has a private yard right on El Segundo. It's going to be great for anyone looking to just store products or even have a retail storefront. If you want more information on this property and to see if you can finance this or even purchase this as an investment, feel free to reach out. Here to help. Talk soon.